Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable hardware buttons in Windows 10 tablet. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates under User Configuration. Click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand Tablet PC. Click Hardware Buttons. Open Turn off Hardware Buttons. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.